bought myself a really nice step stool, and it has really worked well for me. I was standing on a metal crate before, and I can get on this top step and I can lean over the front of this and almost get to the back, and 2 fingers on things, and it's worked out real well for me. It's one of the best step stools I've ever bought, but I'm going to try something new. I want to get something that'll reach back there, or I can get to something to climb on that I can get to those things in the back easier. I got this monstrosity at Amazon. I think I paid 145 bucks. It's some Chinese called a top creeper, it's what they call it. And it needs to be put together, and from what I read on the comments, it's not going to be an easy job reading Chinese and being neglected when it comes to them giving you instructions to put things together and then missing pieces and parts, but I'm mainly concerned about the welds. Anyway, the thing weighs 78 pounds. You'll need a hand truck. The box is very well packaged and came undamaged. Everything is extremely well packaged. And I'm going to go ahead and set all this stuff out somewhere, maybe on that piece just took off right there. I guess the first thing is to find the instructions, and there they are, right down over there. So I'm going to get started. Connie's going to work on this some. She's checking out all the parts and pieces first before she starts putting it together, because I got to work on the engine. All right, here we go. It's looking a lot like a cherry picker, crane, hoist, whatever you want to call it, from Harbor Freight, but this is not Harbor Freight at all. And there's another part that's going to go on, maybe. Wife is doing a good job. Anyhow, she's doing a very good job here so far. It's going together, and she's taking her time. Okay, we're making a little more progress. Connie's making some more progress. She's got the upright going now, and gonna get a little tilt to it. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Unhappy campers right now. Some of these bolts can really fight you. The pieces are disappearing fast. Okay, got that many bolts left. It's coming together like that, and we got these 2 pieces left. The seat, that piece is the seat, and I believe it sticks on, but we'll find out later. It's coming together pretty nicely. It's just like 98 degrees out here right now. It's getting a little warm, but we do have a breeze, and we're in the shade. Okay, wife got it put together, so she gets to try it out first. Tool pouch works good. Okay, the thing seems to be working okay so far. The problem is these steps are really, there's a long way between them. So once you're up there, you're up there.
You can step on that one, yeah.
I don't know.
Well, I'm just saying you can.
Yeah.
Which gives you a little more from, here to here. This is
Okay.
this is a long one.
Me and my bad knees. Gonna give this a try. Okay. That's not a step, huh?
Well, it doesn't say not to step. You can't step on the outside one, but it looks welded well.
stand on.
That's why I say it's a pretty narrow.
Hitting me right there. How far up is the next one? Really high,
About
huh?
3 more inches.
Huh?
Oh, about that, you got to about 8, up, gotta go
I
higher.
won't be able to make it.
It's much higher.
Yeah, it's hitting me in the...
Yeah, it's hitting you right here. That's how
Yeah.
much higher it is. It's almost to your knee.
That's
They're
way too
very high.
Way too high. Steps needed to be different.
I mean, that's higher than the standard ladder and even.
Okay, lean over the side of the camera. Still going, right?
Yeah. You want me?
I still have to lean on this some, but I can reach down over in here.
Tell me your hands.
That last step hits me right in the shins.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's see what else we can do with this. Okay, we've readjusted.
Oh, I can almost reach the back. Even though there's another step up here,
Yeah, that would be like for
that's,
18-wheelers.
yeah, it's not feasible for us to use. But no matter how you look at it, it hits right in my
Shin's
chin,
still
too.
hitting, yeah.
Uh-huh. But I can reach back there if you need it.
And you won't fall off even if your feet come loose because you're leaning on the front.
Right.
Was that one of those mermaid type poses?
Yeah, I feel like I'm sliding. Here I can swim.
You're rolling backwards.
I know. The concrete's not level.
Swim forward.
Don't make me laugh. I might fall on my foot.
Hope not.
Yeah, but
This looks like a tripping hazard right here. And it blocks the first step. I have no idea why that's there. Might be in the instructions somewhere that says what it's for. Had a little trouble locking the front position there, but it's okay now. And my concrete's a little unlevel, so I'm going to go ahead and try and get up on this again.
see, it shows it at the outside.
Yeah.
So, because I was going to put it in the other one. Said no.
Okay, here I go.
Got it.
I don't think I can do this.
I don't think you're going to be able to either because the only way to do it is to
Step on
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Come on, good city. It's designed for 400 pounds. Oh,
Yeah, but you got to be able to.
I don't feel like I'm leaning really far forward.
And be careful because it does move slightly.
What?
It says
Oh.
move. I said it moves slightly.
Okay. Spark plug down here. It's always been a pain, but I can reach it a little easier. And move it over and I can get to the other one on the other side fairly easy. So, and you can rest here. Fuel injectors, I can get to those. And the back, I can see my sending unit for the oil way down there. About way down there. Okay. I've got long arms and I could reach a lot of this stuff, but this will probably make my life a little easier. I think for the $135, $145, whatever it was I paid for it on Amazon, I think it's worth it. I think they could have made it a little different, but then again, look at different models. Maybe some other models will be different for you. It's this model, so now I'm going to try and go down.
All right, now's your, yep.
They said a wheel broke on one of these. I don't know if it was this model or not, but he was not very happy camper. Oh,
Careful.
my-
All right, that's the stand. And then you got like 6 inches down there to your, or 4. There you go.
Now see, they put a brace on this side. They put it on this side, see?
Yeah, I know. And
They put it
say,
on the wrong side. This is on the wrong side. It should, because they got the other brace over here. Or it's on the right side. To
yeah,
keep
but you should
more
be able to read. See here? It's got a warning. This is not a step.
What about this one?
That one doesn't say nothing. That's
Oh,
just,
okay. So that means that is not a step too. That's probably a support.
but it's, I don't like the way they put it, but
No. It takes getting used to, I guess.
I suppose.
Anyway, there it is. What's the name of this monster?
Crazy.
Okay, a Garvey. The cushion, it's real solid foam. No problem there. Don't know how long it's going to last, but I didn't have any trouble with it. It's got some padding right here on the hinges. That probably won't last very long, but hey, it's better than nothing. And the finish is pretty good on it. So yeah, I'll see if I can get some use out of it.
And it wasn't that difficult to put together.
And she says it wasn't that difficult to put together either, so fits underneath fairly easy, this 2000 Yukon. Yeah, well, I'll be using this, so that's why I made a video on it. If you get one of these, I hope you like it. And remember, if you can find one without that bar right there, that might be the better one to look at. I don't know. Anyway, Steve AZ711, Can They Drive Garage? Bye for now. Alright, it's 99 degrees out here. 11:57, might as well call it noon. 4 o'clock it gets hotter. I gotta call it a day.